Hey guys, Handy Camper here. I want to make this real quick video for you guys to show you how to make really cool free thumbnails for your videos. And the key word there, free. And it's really easy to use, and it takes no time at all. And there's also an app you can put on iPhone or Android. So I haven't looked into that yet, but I did see that was available. So check us out, guys. Without further ado, I'm going to show you this real quick. Key in search for canva.com. There we go. I'm already signed in, but you can create an account. It's really easy. You just do an email and a password if you want to, or you can sign in. You can sign in with Google, or you can sign in with Facebook, I do believe, if you want to. But I made a quick little account, and you can use any of the designs they already have. But I usually do a custom dimensions. I put 1920 by 1080. That's good resolution. And just click design. And it's going to pop up with this little work area right here for you guys. And let's go ahead and upload something. I want to show you guys. Here's a couple of things I've just been playing with the last couple hours, just messing around. Oh, not really the last couple hours, probably the last hour. But just upload an image, and let's upload. Let's see. Let's upload this image right here, just for your. And you can see it here uploading, guys. You can see the progress. And when it's done, you'll be able to do it, and it's super fast. It don't take a second. And the images that you upload stay in there in case you want to use them again, so that's really cool. Alright, see, it's done. Pop it in there. Alright, let's make it as big as we can get it here. Perfect. And of course you can like zoom it in to just get the face if you want to and all that. So let's do this right here, guys. Over here you have like a little search. Say like you wanted to put something like a picture in there, or some kind of little anything, you know. Let's punch in a smiley face, and you got all these that you can use free, and there's some that you can pay for if you want to. I mean, you know, but there's a bunch of free stuff. Say we want to put a smiley face in there. Let's put this one in here, and then you can resize it. I can even put it over there and have a little beard if I wanted to, but let's put it, let's make it a little smaller. There we go. There we go. Let's put that there. Let's see, we can put a little YouTube thing here at the bottom if we want to. Pop it in this corner. There we go, guys. And then we can add text, and there's so many options you can do with the text. So you can add a heading if you want to make it big. Let's put, let's write custom, well, if I can spell it right. I'll get it right here in a second, guys. Custom. Now, let's just do custom, and then I'll put the word thumbnail somewhere else. Let's do custom, and just click on it right here, guys, and you can change the color. Let's make it yellow or green. Let's make it green. Okay, and you can, after you get it right here, let's put it right. Let's pick a different color that goes better with that background. Let's try blue. Blue show up a little better, or black, or even white. Nope. Custom. There we go. And we can make it bigger if we want to right here. Stretch it out. Custom. And let's put, let's do thumbnails. Thumbnails. And let's change this one to red. Let's, there you go. Thumbnail. I don't like that color. Let's change it to a different color. I'm just playing around here, guys. I want to show you. There we go. There you go, guys. Super easy to use. And when you're done, just click download. Download it to your computer and save it. And then add it on a video. I hope this helped, guys. This is a really easy website, and there's no effort at all. I mean, there's so many options you can do. They have their own layouts, and you can even put like shapes and stuff in there. They got different shapes you can put in there and to add stuff, and they got like speech bubbles, and just play around with it, guys. Yeah, well, if you don't like it, just hit delete. Alright, guys. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next one. And as always, plan, prepare, and practice. Handy out.